Hello everyone. As you may know, in April 2020, at United States time zone, everybody saw the negative settlement oil price first time ever in 150 years history. That's why we have the topic today. And I will explain why the rural oil price can be below zero. First of all, I will let you see the oil price chart. On that day, the oil price very close to minus $50. So we have to think what kind of model we will apply to explain these cases. This case. And we are just talking about one product, that's the rural oil. That's why we use the demand and supply curve in microeconomics. So let's see how it works. The vertical axis, that's the price, and the horizontal axis, that's the quantity. On most of my students, they will know that the demand curve is called G will have the negative stuff, and the supply curve here S will have positive stuff. And this point is called equilibrium. So at this point, we have the equilibrium price at beginning on that day is about $18. So how can the price lower zero? So I divide into three cases. The first is just only the demand curve effect. Second case, supply curve effect, and the third case, both. Let's see. First case. Due to coronavirus quarantine, most of the country they do the same, and nobody go out, not as strictly nobody, but most of the people will stay at home. It means the demand will lower than before or decreasing, and the demand curve will shift to the left. Let's say it shifts to this point. So at this point, the equivalent price is zero. And now, the more and more countries do quarantine policies, this means the demand is lower than before. So the demand curve is now lower, and the demand curve still shift to the left. This means the equilibrium price lower zero. That's the first case. So come back with the real one. Second case, the supply curve. When the government quarantine, most of the producers, they can stop producing rural oil immediately, but they still producing it very slowly. This means the supply curve still shift to the left very slowly. Let's say supply curve shift to this point. It means the equilibrium price zero. And then the more rural oil producer produce, you will see the price is lower zero. That's possible. That's the second case. So the third case, what's happened if both demand and supply curve move at the same time? So demand curve shift to the left and supply curve shift to the right. So both demand and supply shift at the same time, you will see the oil price very low. That's why we can explain the oil price can reach minus $40. And now, how can the price back to the normal? As you may know, if the price very low, if you are the customer, what will you do? Of course, you see the price and the price very low and you want to buy more. This means the demand curve will shift back to the right until this point. So the price now can return to zero, but it doesn't make sure the demand curve will shift to the previous one or the original price, $18, maybe less than $18. That's why after a few minutes trading on that day, the rural oil price is up to about $1 or $2. I can't remember, but it's more than zero after that. So that's very quick, easy explained by model. And now how to explain in practice? How does it make sense? If you can check on this website, Financial Times, and they say where is it here? They say the contracts for delivery in June. Now it's just April, but the oil contracts in June still trading above $20 a barrel. It's mean you get paid already about 30 or 40 barrel to take the oil, and then you sell it forward to the future markets at the price $20. So the current price now zero or low down below zero. It doesn't matter because in the future the contract price is still $20. It means you never get lost. Even the current price lower than zero. That makes sense. The second possible explanation is the oversupply of the crude oil is more than demand. It means you produce already. And let's imagine when you produce the crude oil, but nobody wants to buy it, but you still need a place to storage for the inventory. For example, you have to pay $2 for 1 barrel just to pay for the inventory, the space in storage. And if someone really wants to buy it at the zero, you don't need to pay $2 for the storage fee. It's still better than you have to get lost $2 for the storage fee. So that's why $0 still makes sense because you don't have to get lost. Okay. I hope you enjoy very short explanation, and if you have any questions, just comment on that and click on subscribe. Thank you for watching.